Eagle Electromechanical was founded in 1985 in the United Arab Emirates by Mr. Mohammed Hijaz. It is an environmental engineering contracting firm which provides turnkey solutions for wastewater treatment, pumping stations, networks and reservoirs, electromechanical works, and electrical networks and substations. The leadership and determination of Mr. Hijaz has now placed Eagle in a strong position in the Middle East. Competing with the international heavyweights, we would like to share some of our history and success with you. Mr. Mohammed Hijaz was born in Palestine. In 1974, he was awarded a scholarship to study civil and environmental engineering at the Technical University in Poznan, Poland. For his master's thesis, he conducted plant simulations on the role of nitrification or removal of nitrogen in wastewater treatment plants.
If I didn't see it ahead, we couldn't be successful. We have seen our success ahead. That's what we work out to match and to come to the point of demand of the client.
During his time as a university student, Mr. Hijaz had a vision to start his own company. He aspired to create a household name for environmental engineering contracting services in the Middle East. At the age of 33, Mr. Hijaz registered his company in Sharjah under the name of Eagle Electromechanical and started working from a desk at home. In 1985, Eagle had a workforce of only 5 people.
I think I'm the 4th one.
The company's initial business was for electromechanical works in the water sector. Times were difficult for companies operating in the Gulf, and Eagle was not exempt. In 1986, it was awarded its first sewage treatment plant contract. This was for a private domestic extended aeration plant in Dubai. It had a capacity of only 30 cubic meter a day, a trickle compared to the 30,000 cubic meter a day Gardens plant, which was commissioned in 2005. Eagle's major breakthrough was in 1987 through to 1988, when it was awarded a series of military contracts.
Demand in the Middle East, it's a big opportunity. We have a big opportunity to expand and become one of the major players in the area for this type of work, because we are sure that we have reached to the international level and international standard.
In the 1980s, the company focused more on design and build contracts for water and sewage treatment plants. Mr. Hijaz even designed his own extended aeration-type wastewater treatment system, specifically tailored to meet the local conditions.
I'm proud of all the projects I was involved in, simply because we proved to be a successful team in the eye of our management as well as our clients. We got to their satisfaction, and so we're really proud of that.
In 1992, Eagle was registered in Abu Dhabi, and in 1995, Mr. Hijaz founded Al-Hijaz Mechanical Equipment Co. LLC, the Dubai-based sister company. Sustained by the construction boom in Dubai, international consultants and contractors garnered further interest in Eagle, enabling the company to work on yet larger and more esteemed projects.
Experience of 30 years for Eagle. It has a good staff, good system, and they know the market, and they are capable to handle a lot of projects.
Eagle was growing rapidly, and by 2008 it became one of the largest local water and wastewater contracting companies in the UAE. In addition, the company was executing numerous overseas projects. The same year, Eagle was the first in the UAE to use the vacuum sewage system at the Palm. In 2010, Eagle designed, built, and was operating the largest membrane biocreator plant in the Middle East at the time. This was at the Dubai Sports City, with a plant capacity of 25,000 cubic meter a day. This MBR plant was awarded the best wastewater treatment plant in the Middle East in 2010 by the H2O Water magazine, with KPMG as the knowledge partner. It is completely enclosed within a building, and the entire process is housed within a footprint of only 4,000 square meters. Due to the plant's architectural features, onlookers of the prestigious development are unaware of the building's purpose, yet it generates unrestricted irrigation water quality which provides the water for the lush greenery. Moreover, it produces drinking water quality which feeds certain requirements of the development for this water class.
Always share my knowledge with my employees that for this share of knowledge is upgrading them.
The next year, the company embarked on its international expansion with the progressive opening of branches in Jordan, Iraq, and Saudi Arabia.
The working environmental, which is the best thing in the Eagle, and you have a lot of things to be learned, and every day we are learning new things here.
By 2013, Eagle was the first to deliver a membrane bioreactor plant in Palestine. The Ramallah municipality awarded Eagle with the 2,000 cubic meter a day Tira plant, which is a showcase of the technology in Palestine. The same year, the first membrane bioreactor plant in Baha, Saudi Arabia, was also executed by Eagle. This was a temporary modular 500 cubic meter a day solution. It garnered confidence in the technology and was followed by several awarded projects in the region.
Based on the long term of these projects, we come to know that we are really successful in this manner, as we got the credibility to proceed, and we got the satisfaction of our clients as well.
Eagle now stands as one of the largest operators of sewage treatment plants in the UAE. Overall, it has executed more than 100 turnkey sewage treatment facilities with success demonstrated during the plant's operation. The company has a local and international wastewater treatment project capacity of over 250,000 cubic meters.
Within 15 years, the market was not steady. It was fluctuating up and down. But in general, it's okay. Now it is okay.
Furthermore, Eagle has realized over 150 drinking water, sewage, and irrigation works for pumping stations and reservoirs. This includes low and medium-scale networks and substations. 2014 saw Eagle commission the main Saadiyat Island 2,555-liter water pumping station in Abu Dhabi. The project also included the construction of 3 underground water reservoirs of a capacity of 111,500 cubic meters. Alongside Eagle's success in the water and wastewater business, the contractor has completed more than 100 electromechanical projects. The major mark came with the award of the Palm Jumeirah Signature Homes & Cove Villas in 2007, where Eagle completed the electromechanical works for 603 villas.
Fully transfer the know-how to our team, and therefore I see a lot of opportunity due to the big demand in the Middle East and due to the nature of lack of water.
The Gulf is one of the driest areas on Earth, and water is a basic life need. If you can imagine that 99.9% of wastewater consists of H2O and the rest is solids, then this wastewater becomes an extremely valuable resource.
We are working as a team, as a family here.
We are dedicated to raising awareness of the worth of wastewater and of the implemented technologies which can transform wastewater even to drinking water quality.
I want to see Eagle on the sky high under the flagship of our GM, Mr. Hijaz, under his dynamic guidance.
Eagle was recognized in 2009 by Frost & Sullivan as the best entrepreneurial company in the Middle East for wastewater treatment.
Next 30 years. Global company. Yeah. It will be, I think it will be one of the biggest company for especially engineering, environmental solution.
Since its inception, the company has grown to having over 1,750 employees, know-how, commitment, and flexibility.
Thank you.